Hi again. In current lecture we will speak about what we can do in case Elasticsearch is forced to be used. First of all, if it is only security reasons, then it is not a reason at all. As we already talked, Elasticsearch can be deployed on a private network and be hidden behind some proxy layer with SSL. If you need only new Elasticsearch 8 functionality without security options, then you may still use Elasticsearch DSL library and extend your application with new required functionality using some custom code. But let's imagine that there is some business requirement and you are obligated to use security. If you need to use Elasticsearch 8 with security options, then I see only two possible routes. At first, you may use low-level Python Elasticsearch client directly, here's official documentation, and create your custom queries abstract layer equal your own DSL package, or you may try to speed development of popular open-source Python Elasticsearch DSL library. You have to decide it by yourself. From my side, I can only promise that I will observe the current situation. In case some positive results will appear at open source Python world, the course would be updated and you will get a code notification. And one more thing, if you are interested in a Python Elasticsearch 8 project using a clean Python Elasticsearch client, then please write to me in the comments. In case I see great demand from the student side, then I will consider extending the course with such a section. For now, I don't see a big sense in it, as it will be time consuming and hard to say if somebody really needs it. Hope you found the current lecture to be interesting and useful.